The Jamaica Scorpions' batting woes in their opening regional four-day match against the Windward Islands Volcanoes continued, with the home team precariously placed at 76 for 4 at stumps in their second innings on day 2 at Sabina Park. They trailed by 106 runs. And Nkrumah Bonner 36 and Gordon Bryan 1 were the batsmen at the crease when stumps were drawn. Chadwick Walton also made 20, while captain Jermaine Blackwood fell for 16. Pacer Darius Martin has so far taken 3 for 29.
Naturally, I'm a fighter, so once I'm in the position, I'm going to fight. Tomorrow is a promissory note, so I can't really speak about it, but with all plans, we're going out tomorrow confident.
Earlier, the Windward Volcanoes posted a 341 all-out in their first innings reply, having resumed on 157 for 2. Johan Jeremiah carried on to 80 from his overnight 6-6, while fellow overnight batsman Sunil Ambrose made 45, having resumed on 30. Former West Indies Under-19 World Cup winner Shamar Springer contributed 71. He also shared in a 118-run 7th-wicket partnership with Ryan John, who made 57. Bryan was the pick of the Scorpion bowlers with 4 for 64, while Pete Salmon took 3 for 78 and Marquino Minley 2 for 60.
That's a game of glorious uncertainties. So it's just for me to put that innings behind and look forward to the next one. Yeah, we're pretty happy. We're just taking it session by session. So I must commend our bowlers. They have been doing pretty well for us. So it's just for us to come with the game plan tomorrow and the bowlers to come and execute. It's just for us to give a last push. I think we had like roughly about an hour and 50 minutes to go in the day's play. So, we just told the bowlers to go there and give it everything and, see if we can pick up at least 3 to 4 wickets, and we did that so far.
Play resumes at 10 a.m. on a Friday.